Okay, I'm gonna try this again. I think I accidentally hit the stop button on my camera. So I turned it back off. My meter's still hooked up with continuity. I can't remember where I left off, but you just turn it off and on by reversing the polarity. It's on, still energized. Take it off. Okay, I gotta hold on. Change this. That turned it on momentarily. Now, energized, on, it stays on. Stay put, hot wire. Let's turn that noise off. I'll turn it back on though, because that's the position it was in. Nothing to it. So, I'm pretty sure this rusty one is shot. But I'm assuming. We all know what assume stands for. I don't know exactly why it has 3 in there. The one on the bottom here is just like this one that I just tested. The rusty one is different. Watch it be more expensive. Anyway, 1999 Fleetwood American Tradition, I think, with the Cummins diesel, 40-foot Class A RV. Take care. Have a good one. See ya.